your girl, Total Eclipse. Welcome to Midnight Ritual. This is supposed to be a short horror game, so hopefully you guys enjoy the ride. While you're at it, go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let's get into this. In an ancient aristocratic family, there lived a boy named P. He was kind and loved by all, but one curse weighed heavy upon him: gluttony. This sin made him an outcast in his own family, and even his father called him the disgrace of the bloodline. Determined to rid himself of the affiliation at any cost, P discovered a book of forbidden knowledge in the family library. Within its pages, it spoke of a ritual capable of curing any of the 7 deadly sins. The price was high, but he had no choice. At midnight, left in complete solitude, he must 1. Draw an inverted star upon the floor. 2. Place candles at the points of the pentagon or pentagram and light them. 3. Shed his own blood in the center of the pentagram. 4. Recite a prayer while standing at its heart. Then the God will come. The God will hear his plea and grant his wish. When his family left for the banquet, the boy remained alone. The time had come to confront this curse. Okay, so it says press J. Okay, sneak into the library. The time has come to do what we've planned. I will perform the ritual and my curse will finally be lifted. I just pray that what's written in this book is the truth. Oop. So at first you must draw, I guess, the pentagram. Okay. Just looking around here. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit better. Oh my god. Shit, closed. I need to find the key. I can't see up there, so... Oh, how convenient. How very, very convenient. I'm not gonna even try and go to the other doors. Because clearly this is the one that's different. It's green. Unlock the door. Why do they come out? Ugh. Now draw the pentagram precisely in the center of the floor. Got you. Draw the pentagram. Here. Right here. Now I need to place the candles at the corners of the pentagrams and light them. Arrange and light the candles. I don't know what that was, but yep. I don't like these noises. There's 2 right here. Do we pick all of them up at once? Oh, we can. I don't have to keep going back and forth for them. All these wine bottles. I am not okay. Oh my god. I am... I don't like noises. Okay, so we got 3. I'm guessing we have to look in the other places of the house for some candles. Oh my goodness. All of those are locked. More wine bottles just everywhere. Is this my room? I don't appreciate any of these noises at all. So where the hell are the rest of the candles? Everything else is locked. I need candle. Where the hell are these shits? Okay, there's one. Okay, another one. All right, there we go. How many more left? I have not been keeping track of how many I've been grabbing. 1, 2. Okay, 2 left. So looked in there. There was none up there. I don't see them around there either. Oh, wow, there's one right in front of my face right here. Oh, and one on the chair. All right. I arranged the candles. Are they not good enough? Oh, I have to light them. It did say to arrange them and light them. Nice, nice. Next. 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 A little too calm right now. Awesome. Last one. Now for the unpleasant part. The book says, "Go ahead and shed your blood as the sacrifice in the center of the altar, and offer it to him as your sacrifice. I hope it won't require too much blood." Okay, so I already got the knife that was over there, so I don't have to grab it now. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, shed blood. Do I just press? Ugh. Phew. I just have to say the words. And I will be rid of my endless hunger. My parents will finally accept me as a son. All of this because your fat ass cannot stop fucking eating. I will finally be happy. All you have to do is just not eat as much. I promise you it's not too hard. For that, I need the book. The words are in it. Where's said book? I'm gonna shine no lights on it. Hold on, guys.
A few moments later.
All right, guys. Sorry about that. So we need to find the book. Oh. I'm guessing it's this one. Okay. Now I need to say the words in the center of the altar. Oh, I'll just fall down. Oh, okay. It just wrong placement. And call out to the beings that are above you with pleas or forgiveness. Cibus, Gula, or Gala. Veracitas. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so horrible with names. Deus Porcus. Deus Pugus. A pair. Nothing? Why didn't anything happen? maybe I did something wrong. But everything was strictly according to the book. I knew it. I couldn't have been that simple. I guess I'm not meant to get rid of my vice. How about just work out a little bit? I'm not meant to be a happy child. How about be a little bit more active? Go for a run. I guess I need to go back to bed. Yeah, doing all this nonsense in your parents' house. You're gonna go ahead and summon a demon because you can't stop eating. Oh, my door was open before. Where did that fucking rocking chair come from? And I'm not gonna have any words for it? Yeah, let me just... Oh my god. You called. I have come. You want to rid yourself of your sin? Yeah? You want your family's acceptance? Yeah? I can give you that. But what can you give in return, child? I'm ready to do whatever you need. But I have practically nothing. I can't fucking read. Except my soul. Soul? You think I need your soul? You're mistaken. It is much simpler. I just need one single day of yours. One day from your life, and you will forever forget your insatiable hunger that has haunted you since the day you were born. Oh, why this angle? Just one day out of those left to you, a small price to lift your burden. What happens if you take a grain of sand from the desert? Nothing happens, right? Just one day? One day, and I can finally become a human being. A human being who is loved and accepted by his own family. Let's go along with the story, guys. The deal is done. Now you will never feel hunger again. The day that I am taking from you, that day is... Finally, I'm home alone. The time has come to do what I planned. I will perform the ritual, and my curse will finally be lifted. Did we restart the day? I just pray that what's written in the book is the truth. First, I must draw a pentagram on the floor. Again? No, it is. It is. I'm over here acting surprised, and I'm over here like, it's the same shit. Go to sleep. Alright, Lana, don't get jump scared. And saying the same thing. Yeah, literally all of the same thing. We're doing it all over again. Let's refuse. Well then, it's your choice. I offered you everything you wanted. Apparently, there is no choice. I'll just have to take it myself. Okay, so it was gonna be a repeat of the summoning and everything if I would have just accepted it. So I had to refuse it to finish it. Okay. Interesting story. Interesting plots. Those jump scares, they definitely got me. Obviously, I got jump scared again. Okay. All right. So there you have it, guys. That was Midnight Ritual. Yes, Midnight Ritual. I'm sorry. I had to take a little bit of break in between recording right now, so I kind of forgot the name of it. My bad. But yes, so that's Midnight Ritual. Super short. Has potential. I don't really have anything too bad to say about this. I mean, the jump scare, it got me twice. So, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you would like to see more content like this, and comment down below. I love you guys.